formal event and I'm constantly like tucking in my shirt again. It's constantly falling out. It's one of the most annoying things. You move, it's out, and then you're tucking in again, tucking in some more, and it's just really, really annoying, and it's a huge hassle. Which is why it's really important for every guy to have at least one set of shirt garters or shirt stays. What's interesting about these is that they look just like suspenders, and they kind of function like them too, except instead of keeping your pants up, they keep your shirt down. It's really simple. You take these two clips and you clip them into the side of your shirt, and then this part down here will either loop around your foot or your leg, or it'll clip to your sock depending on what kind of shirt stay or shirt garter you have. And what's really cool about these is that once you are wearing these, you can move around and do all kinds of different activity, and your shirt will stay tucked in no matter what. This is super convenient, especially if you're wearing a suit for a long period of time, and it makes you just look a lot cleaner. I mean, we've all seen somebody, whether it was at a business meeting or a wedding, and they didn't even notice that their shirt was partially untucked, maybe some skin was showing, and it just looks really, really tacky, it looks sloppy, it looks unprofessional. And so shirt garters or shirt stays are the way to go. People won't even know that you're wearing these. They fit right underneath your pants and they're pretty much invisible